Morning.
I'm grateful, man. Oh, how could I complain?
The more common step you're going to do is clean out your vents inside, and you'll notice that they get dirty fast. So you're going to get dust build up on these vents that blow out inside. This is the intake filter. You also want to pull this door down and take out this filter. You do not need to replace these unless they are rotting and falling apart when you pull on them. All you do, run them under water, wash them with soap and water, get all the dust off, give it a good shake. It's nice and clean. It's reusable. Again, you don't have to replace them unless they're tearing when you pull like this. That would mean the material's rotten. When you're done, after it's dry, before you put it back together, take a vacuum and just stick it up in there and suck out any dust that you can reach. Don't knock things loose, but get it clean. For this maintenance, I need a vacuum. I need towels from when I have to spray part of this air conditioner. Keep it from going down inside. I need a flathead screwdriver. I need Phillips screwdriver, just in case. More towels. And some foamy cleaner stuff that we're going to spray on these vents right over here. First thing you want to do is get that cover off. And the thing that we're out here to do a cleaning on is these coil vents right here. These, I don't know what the technical name for them is, but I showed you what you need, but we're going to be using today Frost King air conditioner coil foaming cleaner heavy duty detergent. All you really need to know is air conditioner coil foaming cleaner. You can pick whichever shiny label you think is prettiest. I got this one because it had that brush on the top that I can use to do what I'm doing right now.
If you haven't yet, now would be a great time to click subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell.
So let's get to what we're here to do. We're supposed to inspect the air conditioner. So before I started this, I flipped off the breaker inside the house. So you want to reach down in, grab any gunk that you see built up in there. All right. Now it says just go ahead and spray it on, but it also says avoid getting on any electrical stuff. So we're going to take a towel and cover over the top of the wires on the other side. We've already killed the power. It says the foam will break down condensation accumulation and will completely rinse the emulsified area. However, you may wipe, clean, or rinse with water if desired, or if using non-condensation producing coils. So it says we can just spray it on and let the condensation rinse it off. I'm gonna let it sit for a bit and then take it off. It's been about 30 minutes. That foam's almost completely gone. It says it will emulsify and your condensation will rinse it off. I'm not interested in leaving a chemical on my vehicle that long, so I'm going to go ahead and rinse it with a hose. You don't want it to be a stream like that, because a stream like that is going to bend those fins. They're very, very gentle. Here we go. Bit stronger stream this time. there you go. That job's done. So long as all that water drains out, there's nothing else to do. I've already seen water going out every drain hole. So I think we're gonna be good. Y'all, it's time for an assist. Let's see what she says.
Hello?
Hello, my dear. Could you do me a favor?
Turn off the air conditioner?
No, I want you to go to the back of the breaker panel. On the right side, there's one that's down in the middle above the word AC. I need you to turn that on.
Turn that on?
Yes, ma'am, turn that on.
On.
The one on the left side that says AC. Turn that off.
Turn that one off?
Yep.
Got it.
Now go turn your AC on in the front. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. So that only leaves one task. Get the lid back on it and do that to the other one. Yeah, it's going through. Apparently that's the right way to do it. I did it wrong before. That drain seems to be pouring out just fine, nothing clogging it. All the other low spots are emptying out clearly. Looks like we're good. Get the lid back on and we're done.
Next week on the local pond.
So we decided, since neither of us have ever zip lined before, let's see what this is about.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Make sure to like and subscribe.